Hey, here is a new belief to break no more, and that's for the people pleaser here. And this new belief is disappointing others is okay, but disappointing myself is not okay. Disappointing others is okay, it's all right, but disappointing yourself, it's absolutely not. Because in the end of the day, you have yourself always, others, they disappear, right? um I would say that I would bring nuance in here because I have been experiencing people pleasing patterns, but it was much more it's not but it was and it was a defense mechanism because I was heavily targeted, brainwashed into like being all the time the same shit, the same problem. So at some point, what you do is like you contest the thing, but at some point you're like, yeah, okay, whatever, and then I move on with my with the next thing, you know. And but the thing is that it became a habit, and it led to burnout because I was accepting too much the view and the fears of others, and I was reconciling them within myself, and it led me to break. So because it was special, like everyone was like it was engineered, but you might be in this type of situation as well. So uh, instead of focusing on the fear of others, you your self-respect prioritize self-respect, and this leads you to lasting confidence. It's like I was confident, like a bit unsure but still confident within myself, but like with this you're gonna just snap out of it. So when someone is just spreading fears onto you, their own fears, what you can do is you automatically recenter around self-respect and ask yourself um, if what you are doing is leading to self-respect. Okay, it's like perhaps you're going to find a solution to please the person and to build self-respect at the same time. This is good, but prioritize the option that feels best and fostering self-respect. This is how you're gonna build self-respect, trust, confidence, and then be able as well to stand up for yourself. So disappointing others is okay, but disappointing yourself is not. Follow your values. This is where it comes from. This is where it's useful. Much love.